Just out on a Sunday crew ride today with the mountain bike crew. It's too wet on the trails, which has been with all the rain we've had in Brizzy over the last couple of days. Head out to the Samford Valley Rail Trail and check it out. It's pretty cool. So goes from Ferny Grove to Samford and out for a coffee and back. So pretty cool ride out on the old rail line, and good way to keep the trails nice and safe and let them dry out and still get a ride in. So enjoy your Sunday. Thanks to Gel Builder for the coordinates, and he's for YouTube on how to get here. It was good to chat with him about his experience on how to get out to the old tunnel. So thanks Gel Builder, big shout out. And this is it, the tunnel.
Those before Samford to school.